Philippines.
Good evening, everyone. Resiliency is one of Filipino characteristic that we should be proud of. Because I am a man who never give up. And as a Filipino, my purpose here to push each and every one of us to never stop dreaming. Even though a lot of failures, struggles, and disappointments in life. And my advice to all people out there, not just here in the Philippines, but in the whole world, please make your dreams happen. Despite of all criticism and discrimination in this world, you must be grateful of having them because they are the reason why you are stronger today. And I'm here standing stronger after all the storm. Taas na akong sisigaw na ako ay Pilipino.